To align learning objectives to your test questions, click into the test that you've created and then go to the individual questions. You can also do this as you're creating the questions. At the bottom of each question, there's an advanced option with a little blue target. When you click that Align Learning Objectives target, it takes you to the list of the standards. Drill down and choose the standard you wish to select. You need to keep clicking until you get to the benchmark level, and then it will turn green when you've selected it. You may choose multiple benchmarks if you wish. Then click Add Learning Objectives. That has now been attached to the question. If you want to remove that, click the X and it will be taken away. Be sure to save the question. If you have an essay question, you can also choose to add a rubric. And if you add a rubric, you would align the standards there. And that learning objective is not the blue target, but it's this plus learning objectives icon. If you click that, you can again drill down and find the standards you wish to attach to that particular test item. Again, once you drill all the way to the benchmark, it will turn green, then click Add Learning Objective. You cannot add the learning objective in a rubric and down on the advanced. It's one or the other. Notice the learning objective gets pasted into the criteria. This is not editable, but you may add criteria or take away on your grading scale if you choose. You can also add custom criteria if you want. These would not be assessed in the mastery portion. Only this particular row of the rubric would. When your rubric meets your needs, click Create. Notice the rubric is in place, and now that objective has also been attached. Notice also that the advanced button is grayed out. I cannot add a learning objective while the rubric is selected because the standard is already aligned in the rubric. I can't have it in both places. Click Save Question, and now it is attached. Notice that the standards appear underneath each question for reference, and when you hover on them, it gives you a little description of that particular objective. Continue this process for the rest of your test. You do not need to align standards to every test question, but only questions that have standards aligned will appear in your mastery data.